Hey everyone, just a quick heads up. Saturday, May 24th is the final day of my big spring sale. Right now you can still get 50% off all my Blender courses and 30% off the Blender Secrets ebook, but only for a little while longer. After today the discount drops until 25% until the end of the month. So if you've been thinking about picking something up, now's the time. Now let me quickly walk you through what's included in each course, so you know exactly what you'd be getting. Hard Surface Modeling in Blender for Beginners. This is a step-by-step follow-along course that starts with loading reference images and takes you all the way to a polished animation-ready model. It's still in production, but there's already over 13 hours of content, and the modeling portion is nearly done. Up next are UV and wrapping, texturing and rigging, everything you need to bring your asset into game engines like Unreal. So far, the course includes 40 lessons on modeling with booleans and modifiers, over 100 lessons on quad-based subdivision modeling and retopology, tons of modeling tips and real-world techniques. You can check out student works and reviews on the sales page. Hard Surface Sculpting in Blender. This course is split into two parts. First, you'll learn how to create sculpting assets like alpha brushes, VDMs and tiling displacement maps, which are all great for fast concepting. Then I'll show you my process for using those tools to create a detailed 3D sculpt. The focus here is on concepting and sculpting workflows, not game-ready assets. It's all about creativity and exploration, and it comes with all the sculpting assets used in the lessons. In the Mech Material Mastery course, you'll learn how to create Blender materials from scratch, using procedural node-based workflows and real-world photographic textures that I've collected over the years. You'll get the best of both worlds, procedural flexibility and handcrafted realism. These drag and drop smart materials work great on any model, even if you skip retopology altogether. Just apply, light and render. All the materials and assets are included. Finally, of course, the Blender Secrets ebook. This is the result of 7 years of Blender tips turned into a detailed illustrated guide. It covers everything: modeling, sculpting, animation, rigging, lighting and more. It is currently split into 5 PDFs for easy reading on any device. And it includes almost 900 1-minute videos for offline, distraction-free viewing. If you buy it from my website, you'll also get access to the teachable version where each topic is paired with its video, and it has a searchable curriculum and a space to ask me questions. So that's what's included. And if you're watching this after the big sale has ended, don't worry, you can still save up to $60 at any time with bundled deals on my site. So head over to blendersecrets.org or click on the link in the description or the pinned comment to learn more.